Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll answer a simple but common question. What is a script include in ServiceNow? I'll also show you a quick two-step demo to see it in action. You stay until the end and I'll point you to my full ServiceNow developer tutorial playlist when, where you can dive deeper. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join as a member to support my channel and keep the video going. A script include is a reusable piece of server-side JavaScript. Think of it like a toolbox. Instead of writing the same code everywhere, you put it in one script include and call it from different places. Now, on the left, this is the application navigator, and we can call script include by just typing it on the search box. And since ServiceNow is a platform as a service, you can scroll down where you could visualize under System UI is script includes. And as platform as a service, it is reusable all throughout other workflows. So don't get confused. And right now I am logged in as a system admin. It's one of the main reasons why I can also other modules utilizing the platform feature, which is script include. And as you can see on the right, these are all the script includes created either by ServiceNow to manage and control platform behavior or a workflow. It could be ITSM, ITOM, to name a few of the out of the box. Now, as we navigate to the right, we can create a new script include and drill down. And from here, you can create a script include by putting a title. And on this purpose, we are creating a hello world script include. And I'm typing in a suffix, which is utils or utensils as an example. In other platforms or programming languages, this can be called as a class or an object. So you are basically creating a reusable object or a class that can be utilized all throughout the platform. So it has global by nature. And on the right, you can manage in terms of accessibility if it will be callable or usable by other scope applications inside ServiceNow. So if you like to have a deep dive of the full structure, architecture, and how ServiceNow work, I'll be providing a playlist on system development or ServiceNow developer and system administration playlist and a service developer full course that will give you the experience on how and the why this tool set and features are being utilized inside the ServiceNow platform. And as we navigate to the left, you will see that you can now utilize Glide Ajax. Since script include is a server-side code, Glide Ajax will give you the ability to have the script include to be client callable. And I have deep examples about Glide Ajax under my developer course. And of course, I will provide you the link at the end of the screen. And let us now focus on how this script include works to give you a feel on what it is and how it can help you. And as we navigate down to the script pane, ServiceNow already created a template for us to utilize. And just under the initialize function, let us create our own by saying hello. And as you can see that the platform is already helping me by providing suggested out-of-the-box methods or functions that I may use. And you can see here that it's showing red squiggly lines because I'm losing a comma inside my method. Let us just do a simple return, and our return will be we're saying hello to the caller of this code, and let's have some concatenation, a simple one, to demonstrate the behavior of a script include. And here's like, let's put a comma, a space and a comma, space from hello. So for readability and a comma, so let's have from script include. And as we type that into our code, we can now go on the top header, right click and save it to ensure that we have saved our changes. And let us change this all application scopes so this can be callable anywhere as we use it. And to be able to call the script include, we need to create a client caller of this server-side code. So how are we going to do that? There's quite a few ways. So it can be called by another script include or a business rule, and we can have glide Ajax to call it on the client side. And on this example, we will just create a simple scripts background. And as I navigate to the right, so this scripts background, you'll be able to test our code without any UI or user interface. You will use a background script to call it directly. Now to call it from the scripts background, let us do a var by creating a variable hello world. Then let's have a new keyword, and we're going to basically type in the script include name or the class name and ensure that there is no typo since this is type sensitive. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And let's have another line of code and type a var message since we are returning a message. And as we have created an instance from the first line of code, let's have say hello, and let's enter a string, and let's say ServiceNow developer. So this is how we designed our script. So let us now do a gs.info, and as we do that, type in the message, and successfully as we go to the lower left and run the script, and you can see now that the script include has run successfully. And that's it. We just created a simple script include and successfully called it. This is how you centralize logic and reuse it across your applications. Script includes are one of the building blocks of ServiceNow development, and you'll use them all the time for reusable server logic. If you want to go deeper into ServiceNow development, check out my full ServiceNow developer tutorial playlist. The link is in the description and at the end of the screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join as a member to keep my videos coming and keep learning with me. I'll see you on my next video.